Take a look at this bone. It may look like a simple, hard structure, but inside it is an amazing design that allows your body to stand, move, and protect itself every day. Even more fascinating, bones are alive. They continuously repair and strengthen themselves throughout your life. So let's take a journey inside a human bone. The outer layer is called cortical bone, also known as compact bone. This hard and dense layer gives bones their strength and helps them withstand the forces created by everyday activities like walking, running, and jumping. But the real story begins inside. At the center of the bone is yellow bone marrow. It stores fat and acts as an energy reserve for the body. Running through the bone is a network of blood vessels. These vessels deliver oxygen and nutrients, keeping the bone alive and healthy.
Now, let's move deeper. Here, we find trabecular bone, also known as spongy bone. Its honeycomb-like structure makes the bone both strong and lightweight. It helps absorb shocks and distribute pressure throughout the bone. Inside this spongy bone is red bone marrow.
This is where blood cells are produced. Red blood cells carry oxygen. White blood cells fight infections. And platelets help stop bleeding. Millions of new blood cells are created here every second. But bone strength isn't just about structure. Bones constantly renew themselves through a process called bone remodeling. Special cells called osteoclasts remove old bone, while osteoblasts build new bone in its place. This process keeps bones healthy and strong throughout life. In fact, in certain strength-to-weight comparisons, human bones can outperform many types of steel. To keep your bones strong, your body needs calcium, vitamin D, and regular exercise. Thanks for watching.